Hi everyone, welcome to Love and Lux. Today I'm going to do a unboxing on Bvlgari perfume. But before I do, I'll go over what I'm wearing. This dress, I think it's from Free People. Either that or red dress, I can't remember. I don't know if it's still available. If it is, I'll look it up and link it. Otherwise, I'm wearing my everyday stack on this arm. And the earrings are from a brand called Double Happiness. Their jewelry, I believe, is gold-plated brass, and then you have a smoky quartz at the end. And the ring is also smoky quartz, but I think it's bronze. And then these are just 14 karat gold diamond cut bangles. I think I've worn these before. And then this set here are these are bronze, and it is has smoky quartz on it. So cocktail ring. And I probably should have cleaned it before I put it on, but that's okay. On my lips, I'm wearing Gucci, which it's number 340, but it doesn't matter because they don't sell these anymore. I don't know if they have a color like this, but this is from their old, before they changed their packaging and their formula. And this is what the packaging looks like. I always show the Gucci makeup because I love the way their packaging used to look. So I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but you see how it has the G logos on it? I don't know why they stopped making it like this. I could see if you want to change the formula, and to me the formula was great. And I don't know why you would want to change the packaging, because to me the packaging looked better before. But whatever. This is what I'm wearing. The perfume I'm wearing is an old perfume. I've never shown this before because it's only a little bit left. But it's called Rose Essential. Bvlgari doesn't make it anymore. And I said before that the stuff that I buy, like some of the stuff you can see behind me, some of the stuff is newer, some of the stuff I had it for years, and I don't want people to think that, oh, well, that's all she does is shop and that's it. No, the stuff that I had, it took years to get what I have. If y'all look at my sunglass collection video, if you look at my belt collection video, you can see stuff that's probably vintage by now that I bought brand new. So I don't want to, you know, make people think that this channel is going to be about just me buying stuff and unboxing, because that's not reality, and that's not my reality, and I don't want to come on here making it seem like that's all I do is shop, because girl, no, that is not what I be doing. But I don't mind sharing stuff with y'all and doing reviews and, you know, just giving y'all my thoughts on the products that I buy, and maybe I'm able to help somebody that way. I'm not going to say that I'm never going to do unboxings, but I'm not going to be doing some of these, you know, some of these channels, they unbox all the time, and that's fine if that's what they want to do, but I don't spend my money that way. I don't spend my life that way. And yeah, so I just wanted to put that out there before I do this unboxing, that my channel ain't gonna be just unboxing after unboxing after unboxing, because that's not my reality. That's not realistic, you know? So whatever, that's neither here nor there. So let me get the package and then I'll open it. I did all that just to open it like this. So hopefully you guys can see this is what it looks like. So it just says Bvlgari and it has a star on the back. I'm pretty sure this is probably just a receipt. And this little thing right here keeps flipping back. I don't know why it's doing that. Okay, so it opens like this. It has orange tissue paper. And this is a gift set, so it came with the big bottle, a little small bottle, and a little, I don't know, like a little pouch. That's what it looks like. You can see it's got a little serpent right there and some flowers. And this is what it looks like on the back. So this is what I saw online. Yeah. Okay, and then you got a little sample. Let me put this box down. Okay, so you got a little sample here. Eau de Blanc, I think is what it says at the bottom. So let's see what this one smells like. Oh, it smells good. I like it. It has a light and airy smell. Y'all know I'm not good at explaining stuff, but this one has a light and airy smell. And I would say it would be good for spring, summer. Yeah. It's one of those clean scents. Okay, so let's open this and see what it smells like. And I'm going to see the droid. It's B0. I'm not sure what it's called. You can see the droid that they have, or it's like doing in box, of course. Okay, so this is with the little pouch inside. And when I looked at it, I figured I could probably use the pouch, and I had no idea what it was going to look like in person, but I figured I can use the pouch kind of like a grab and go situation for spring, summer. And also, if I didn't like the way it looks and I didn't want to use it as a grab and go situation for spring, summer, I figured I can use it as a SLG inside of my bag, especially like totes for spring, summer. You guys, if you watch my videos, and you guys know that I have my husband and I, we have a boat at the marina, and this would be good to put down in my tote when we're going to and from the marina. So it has plastic on it. I'll take the plastic off. And it's, I don't know what this material is. I'm pretty sure this is faux leather, but it feels like leather going around. And it just looks like a little cosmetic pouch. And right here you have the regular Bvlgari writing right there. With something that looks like green enamel in the middle, and it's gold hardware. Oops. So it has pink, green, like a Kelly green, and a kind of like Tiffany's blue color. So it's all pink on the inside, and then the perfume is in there. So it has a big one and a little one. So it's all wrapped up. This is what it looks like. It's called Rose Goldia Blossom Delight. And then it has a little serpent detail around here. And then there's a small one on the inside. So on the website, you can just get this for one price, or you can get the big one, the small one, and this for a little bit more. And I don't know if the gift set is still available, but they definitely have this because this is a new scent for them. All right. This is the little one. This is what the little one looks like. And it still has a little, I want to say serpent detail or like snake scale detail around here, but it's just in gold. And it looks like geometric shape. Other than that, it's the same. Okay. So, I'll spray this one. I think I got lipstick on it. Why the hell did I just do that? Who puts their face right into perfume when they smell it? Oh my god. Some of it went in my eyes. Okay, it smells good. Let me see. Let me compare it to this one. Because this one smells like you put your nose in a bouquet of pink roses. Like it doesn't have any other scent, just pink roses. And it's called Rose Essential, but like I said, they don't make this anymore. Yeah, this one, I still like the way this one smells because it's only a pink rose smell. It doesn't have any other scent. It doesn't smell like they added anything to it. And it doesn't smell like they took anything out of it. This one, you could definitely smell the pink rose, but it also has like notes and hints of something else. Let me see. I don't know if it says that in here. And I'm using my phone. Yeah, I don't know. I'll have to put the notes on the screen because this is just a receipt and some information. But yeah, that's it. That's all. I just want to come on here and do a review and show the new perfume that I got. Thank you to my husband for buying it for me. And so here we go. I like the fact that it's got the small one, because you guys know that I like to buy atomizers. If the perfume comes with the atomizer, then I like to buy the atomizer too. And yeah, this is cool. I mean, it's nice and small. You can see the comparison, the little one with the big one. This one will be easy to put in your bag if you have a full-size bag. If you're wearing a small bag, then I'll probably say don't. It's probably going to be taking up too much room that you could put something else that's more important, that you need more than this. Yeah, but I got that. Definitely is going to be sitting on my vanity. With this, it's pretty roomy. It has this little slip compartment, and it feels like it's satin on the inside. So I don't know if this is still available. I couldn't do a review on it until I got it, and I don't think this set is still available, but this, obviously this is, because this is a brand new perfume. It smells good, but it's sweet. So if you don't like anything that's sweet, then I would say don't bother. If you have a way that you can smell this perfume, then I would say just go into the store and smell it, see if they'll give you a sample of it, and you can try it out on your skin and see if you really like it, if you want to buy it. The reason why it came up to the price that my husband paid was because I got this and this with it in a little set. But yeah, I'll look it up and put the price above. And as for this little thing, I said I'll get whatever. I don't think that's it. But anyway, so yeah, am I going to use this as a little grab and go? I think I will. I mean, I don't see why not. Definitely I can use it inside of one of my totes, like I said, for spring, summer. Sometimes people get stuff like this and they convert it into a handbag. I don't see any way that I could do that. I mean, maybe you could put a little wristlet strap here and attach it as a wristlet, but I really wouldn't do that. Use it as a grab and go, just to put my stuff in it and run out and go to the store or something like that. Yeah, I probably would. Or just to run down to the marina with my husband and spend the day out on the water. I could probably use it for that too. I like the color. I like the baby blue. I like the pink. It's like a fuchsia pink, and like I said, like a Kelly green, and then that Kelly green color. I think this is Kelly green, right? I might not be right, but I could have sworn that that vibrant bright green is a Kelly green color. Anyway, that's it. That's all. I just wanted to do. Oops. I just wanted to do a review and a kind of like a little unboxing to show this new perfume that Bvlgari has, and yeah, that's it. So I hope you liked the video. Bye.